Hello everyone, welcome to GV Ready Automation World. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe to it, enable notification for more challenging programs. Right, we are continuing on Java 30 days Java programming challenge. Right, this is the day 25. Right, if you feel these are all already you know, right, some people, right, I am creating for the people who, right, whoever don't have basic knowledge of Java to advanced. Right, if you feel these are all a little bit easy, then I have started one more series, Leet code challenging programs. Those are all little challenging programs. If you feel these are all easy for you, right, you can go to that playlist. You can go to my YouTube channel, go to playlist Leet code programs. There you can find the more challenging programs, Java programs. Right, fine. Then day 25 we are continuing on Fibonacci series up to a given number. Right, suppose I want to print first 10 Fibonacci numbers, right, or 20 numbers, 30 numbers. What is Fibonacci series? Right, Fibonacci series will start from 0 and 1. First two numbers will be 0 and 1. Next number will form by adding previous two numbers. 0 plus 1, 1. Now next number, previous two numbers, 1 plus 1, 2. Next number, 2 plus 1, 3. Next number, 3 plus 2, 5. Next number, 8. Next number, 13. Like this. Fibonacci series will form by adding previous two numbers. Next number will come previous two numbers. Right, that this is called a Fibonacci series. Right, now I want to write the program to print this series until the given number. Suppose if I give n10, I want to print 10 Fibonacci series, or whatever number we will give, those many Fibonacci numbers. Right, whoever joined, please start the program. Once it is done, please paste our program in the comment section. We will see how many ways we can do this. Right, day 25. Right. Okay, day 25 challenge. Okay, main method. Just I will take a first number equal to 0, then second number will be 1. Right, then how many numbers I want? I want a count equal to some 10 Fibonacci series numbers I want to print. Right, we can write either for loop or we can use while loop also, anything. For int I equal to I less than or equal to count. Now next number, how it will form? Next number will be formed using first and second, first plus second. Right, next number will be formed by using first and second. Now print, right, next number. Right, before this we have to print the first and second. Right, we have to print first and second. System.out.println. Right, we will print side by side. Right, so ln, we will remove ln, we will print side by side. First space second. Then while printing the next also, we will remove the ln, we will print side by side. Just will append some space here. Okay, before printing, just a space. Okay, fine. Then now what we have to do again? We have to assign second number to first. Once we printed, we have to interchange second number to first. Then in second we have to keep the next number. Right, second number we have to change to first number. Next number we have to change to second number. Right, then just we will execute it. Right, see 10, first 10 Fibonacci series numbers 0, 1, 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 3, 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 3 18. Right, how many printed? 3 6 9 10. Right, why it is printed more than that? Before we have printed 2, already 2, so we have to decrease the 2. Right, first we have printed already 2, remaining 8 numbers we have to print it. Right, we have to make sure that. Now run it. Now 12 digits are printed actually. Right, now it will print only given number 10. Count, what is the count? Then it will print until count. Is it printed already? What is happening? This is the problem with IntelliJ. IntelliJ will give the code very fastly. Right, we can write it will write intelligence. Right, AI features also integrated in IntelliJ. Because of that we can write the program, but execution wise I feel little slow. I think, can you please comment if anyone is also using IntelliJ? Are you also seeing this? In Eclipse I see it's very fast, but IntelliJ sometimes it will take a lot of time to stop it. Right, I have stopped that IntelliJ. Right, due to that is got hanged. I have opened same program in the Eclipse. Right, we will see. Now run it. Right, it is printing only 10. Suppose if I want 20 Fibonacci series numbers. Right, run as Java application. Right, it will print 20. Right, like this we can achieve, or we can also use recursion. Right, we will see recursion also. Right, sometimes they will ask how to print Fibonacci by using recursion. Recursion means what? Calling method itself. Right, I will create a one method public static right, integer right Fibonacci series. Right, we'll create a method. Right, then we will take the number. Right, then we have to call right this method itself. Right, we have to call return Fibonacci of right previous number. Right, we want a previous number. We will get n minus 1 plus we want one more previous number, right, n minus 2. But how to stop this condition? Right, if we write like this it will go infinite times. Right, we have to stop it if n is less than or equal to 1, less than or equal to 0, less than or equal to 0, return 1. Right, less than or equal to 0, return 1. Right, less than or equal to I think 1. Right, return 1. We will see. I want to print first 10 Fibonacci series numbers. I equal to 1 to, suppose I less than or equal to 10, I plus plus. Okay, now call the Fibonacci. Now call the system.out.println Fibonacci of, suppose I want to print 10 or at 10, and just will execute it. Right, something going wrong. What is the wrong here? Right, here we have to pass the I. Right, we have to Fibonacci series of I. Then okay, we will see this. Then we have to pass it from 0 onwards. Right, we have to pass from 0 onwards until less than 10, because we have to print from 0. Right, now see, it got printed. Right here 0 was not printing. What is the mistake we have done? I think right, we have to send return n. If we pass the 0, right, it should return 0 only. If we pass 1, it should return 1. Right. Right now see, it is printing 0 1 1 1 1. Right. By using the recursion little bit challenging one. We have to remember that, right? If you do any simple mistake, it will go infinite loop, right? It would not, I will not prefer recursion because, right, space complexity is more, because it will store in the stack area. Then last loop, once we come the last loop, then only it will, right, add all, it will recursion. That's why it is a more space complexity, time complexity will be more in the recursion if you use. That's why I will not prefer this one. We can prefer this one only. Right, we can also explain for the interview that also. Right, if you like my way of teaching and content presentation, just subscribe to the channel, enable notification for more interesting videos. For any questions or suggestions, please comment in the comment box. Please share to your friends. Please like the video. Thanks for watching.